All right, recap for today. Another unfortunate day. We got smoked. Reason being, I will go over that. But the main thing I want to focus on here is this setup was like super A plus, right? I know a lot of traders probably ended up taking this, um, but along with um, not realizing a little bit on the higher time frame what was going on, and I will go over that in 1 second. So you could definitely see it better on ES. At the time, ES wasn't inside of this daily gap yet, but we were really close, and I didn't realize that. So that's 100% on that's my bad. But what you can take from that is obviously why are we gonna short if ES is that close to the daily gap? If I knew that, obviously yes, I wouldn't have taken the trade. But to say the least, I failed to realize that. I didn't see it, and I didn't see it in time, right? Um, But pretty much all this trade was it would just been a Judas swing right up into this intermediate high inside of the 1 hour gap, and it's also an intermediate high in the 4 hour gap. So I really all I wanted to see was a quick swing up to that. When we take out this and then get that immediate reaction, which we did get, the inverse was there. It was perfect, super A plus. It was A plus in the way that that lines up with me not realizing how close ES was to the daily gap, right? Um, but again, it's okay. So we'll go here just to show you the inverse. It was boom. It was one candle. It was a super fast inverse, right? Um, not sure why I can't. Oh, but yeah, I took it 7 micros. I'm targeting this 15-minute intermediate low right there, and then if we take an even further look, it just looked even more clear to me just because the rejection that we were having off of this, right? Like that was what was it like a over a 50 point rejection, right, in 1 minute, not even. So that looked really good, right? I would have went break even at these lows, but it was instant stop out. Um, Again, that's okay. It happens, right? You can't always win. You'll go on streaks of losing, streaks of winning. You'll be mixed. Doesn't matter. But after that trade lost, I realized that we were coming up to the daily. NQ was about to hit the daily gap as well. And once this got hit, there was definitely chances for shorts. Um, there was one more trade I took, ended up getting break even on it. I'll go over that in a sec. It was this inversion right here on the 1 minute. Now the it took a little bit to close, but I think just because we did end up hitting the daily, it would have been better, and we would have seen a better flush. Not really worrying about the close, right? I mean, we could stall out here, but this close is really kind of what sold me here, right? It was a quick close, good speed, and I was honestly looking. It might sound crazy, but I was looking to hold this like literally all the way until London, like all these relative equal lows down there. Um, Break even, just at this 5 minute. So again, we entered here. Stop loss was up here somewhere because I really didn't want to see it come back up. Full TP was way down there, but um, anyway, we end up getting that break even tap. Unfortunately, we do get break even on it, and then we actually end up resweeping eventually, I think, and then we make our move lower. So ideally, we had the right bias after the daily gap was hit, right? But yeah, again, this trade, this is A plus. I will take this 9 times out of 10, or 10 times out of 10. Sorry, but again, I failed to realize we were coming up to that daily gap, so it does make sense for us for that trade to lose, right? But the setup was extremely A plus. Everything besides that daily gap, absolutely. But yeah, boys, I'll leave my Discord down below for the mentorship. If you guys want to join up, you can comment down below too if you have any questions. Yeah, I know it was a little bit quicker of a recap today. Hopefully, I can catch you guys back tomorrow for another recap. We got news the rest of the week, so just gonna keep your head on your shoulders, right, and just keep moving forward like always. And let's make back these 2 losses from the past 2 days. And peace out, boys. Hopefully, I see you tomorrow.